Developing a growth mindset for continuous writing improvement. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the importance of developing a growth mindset when it comes to workshopping and critiquing creative writing, especially when inspired by literature, film, and media. This mindset can be your secret weapon to becoming a more adaptable and resilient writer. At its core, a growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Unlike a fixed mindset, where individuals believe their basic qualities are static, those with a growth mindset embrace challenges and see failures not as evidence of unintelligence, but as a springboard for growth. In the realm of creative writing, this means recognizing that first drafts aren't meant to be perfect, viewing feedback as an opportunity to learn and refine, understanding that every writer, no matter how experienced, can always improve. Workshopping is a unique experience, as it offers a platform for writers to share their work and receive feedback. With a growth mindset, you can 1. Embrace critique. See it as an avenue for improvement, rather than as criticism of your inherent talent. 2. Ask questions. Instead of being defensive, ask for clarity. For example, can you suggest ways I can make this paragraph clearer? 3. Give constructive feedback. When reviewing others' works, offer feedback that fosters growth, rather than shutting down creativity. Writing, like any other skill, improves with practice, feedback, and reflection. Adopting a growth mindset helps in handling rejection. Instead of feeling defeated by a rejected manuscript or feedback, see it as a stepping stone. Fosters a love for learning and a resilience to keep writing, even when it's tough. Encourages writers to take risks in their work, pushing boundaries and exploring new styles or genres. 1. Journaling. Regularly jot down your writing challenges and celebrate small wins. 2. Positive affirmations. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations like, I am constantly improving, or, every piece of feedback helps me grow. 3. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals can help track your growth. 4. Engage in continuous learning. Attend workshops, read books on writing, and always be curious. 5. Network with fellow writers. Sharing experiences and learning from each other can be incredibly enriching. Remember, the journey of writing is filled with highs and lows. But with a growth mindset, you're better equipped to navigate this path, constantly learning and evolving. We hope this video inspires you to approach your writing with fresh enthusiasm and a keenness to learn. Happy writing!